Then you have this wonderful drink. Looks like a perfect cocktail. This drink is super refreshing and energizing at the same time. Hey everyone, this is Tom broadcasting live from our tea house here in Chiang Mai. And today I would like to share one of our recipes with you. This is a tropical matcha orange, and as you know, Thailand is a very hot country. Temperatures here all years about 30 degrees Celsius, and this drink is super refreshing and energizing at the same time. I'm going to share the recipe with you right now. Let's dive into it. What I'm going to use is our ceremonial grade matcha Izumi from our supplier Shogyoken. Okay, I'm using 3 grams of this ceremonial grade matcha. All right, there we go. That's 3 grams of our ceremonial grade Izumi. And I'm using a sieve so that the powder is very fine. I'll put it through the sieve. If you don't have a sieve at home, that's not a big deal. You can do it without, but you get a very fine powder if you do it with. So what I'm doing next is I'm adding a little bit of coconut water to the matcha powder. And I start to mix it up so the matcha dissolves in the coconut water. Then I'm adding the rest to it. And I'm whisking it up with very nice, smooth and fast M and W shapes, or just simple zigzag movements. And this way I make sure that all the matcha is dissolved in the coconut water. The next step is, I already prepared it. I'm adding orange juice into a glass with ice. You can use any kind of orange juice. I like the one with pulp, so I have a little bit more texture. And then on top, I'm adding the coconut and matcha water. And then you have this wonderful drink. Looks like a perfect cocktail. Now, you just need to add a straw, and neither you drink it like this. Or you mix it up, and then you have a wonderful and refreshing drink. Oh my God, it's so good. If you want to try this recipe at home, go ahead and do so. If you would like to buy our matcha, you can do that on our website. That's www.chasekitea.shop. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to us at any time at info@chasekitea.com. And if you have any questions, please send a comment in the comment box below. Also subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so. I think you can subscribe down here or here, and hit the notification bell so that you get a message every time that we upload a new video. New videos will be online every Sunday, 8 o'clock local time here in Thailand. So we're gonna do weekly videos, and please let me know if there's something that you would like to know from us. So the next video we could do especially for your request. All right, thank you for tuning in. Have a wonderful day and drink the good stuff. Take care and stay safe. Bye-bye.